us. La 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 la. La 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 la. I will show it to you now. Okay, so let us Unit 5C, pre-intermediate. Okay, so ambitions. Your ambition in life. Okay, what do you want to be in the future? Like that. Okay, so Tono, let us talk today about your ambition in life. Okay, so what do you want to be in the future, Tono?
I want to be an art teacher.
You want to be a teacher. I know that's your ambition. You really love to be a teacher. Okay, that's always. Why do you want to be a teacher, Tono? Why do you like to be a teacher?
Because I think I can teach students how to draw well and can teach the people something about the color and drawing.
Okay, so of course, if you are a teacher, you can teach them how to learn. Okay, so that's your job. That's your dream. Oh, aside from being a teacher, what is your second dream in life?
I don't see the picture.
Huh?
I don't see the picture.
Okay, what is it?
I see a unit name pray in terms these days. Unit name ambition.
Okay, ambition.
This is
Wait, wait,
it.
wait. Again, Tono, sorry, I cannot read. I cannot hear.
I see unit name unit 5 ambition.
Okay, ambition, unit 5. Yeah. So my ambition is, so what is your number one ambition in life? Number one.
Um, I think number one. I don't see my lesson. I see listening.
Yeah. No, no, Tono, I am asking. What is your ambition in life? I am asking.
Ah, um, I like to be a teacher or a teacher, and I like to draw.
Okay. So from being a teacher, what else your ambition? Another ambition in life. What is your other ambition in life? You want to become aside from being a teacher, okay. What is your ambition in life?
Yes, I think so. I think I
A doctor
teach.
or what?
I think is I can be a teacher, but I think I can be an artist or a accountant.
Okay, to be an artist or an accountant. Okay, so that's great, at least. Okay. So we have here different vocabulary, Tono. Okay, so these are the different ambitions, the dreams, the courses. State agents, it's a person whose job is to sell houses and loan for people. Gardener, a person whose job is to work in a garden. Next, a person whose job is to take care of sports field or a park. Journalist, you know this already. A person whose job is to collect and write newspaper, news stories for newspapers, magazines, or online news sites. Delivery
Teacher, we are
man,
dentists.
huh?
We are dentists.
We're done with this?
Yes,
Ambitions?
yes, we
Okay.
are dentists.
5C. The 5C. We're done with the 5C. Wait me. Okay, so ambition 5C. But here, wait me, Tono, ha? I did not see that you are 5C. Oh, it's not here, Tono. Topic health, reading, routine. Okay, let's move to reading, clothing. 5B, it's pre-intermediate. Maybe we started this Tono, but we are not totally done. Okay, anyway, let's move to reading, the 5D. Still ambitions, we're talking. Okay, so let us do the writing activity. Da, 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 da. Writing. Okay. Okay, I will share to you now. Okay, this one. Okay, let us have to do 5F, writing activity about okay. Solutions. Oh, it's the I will okay. Pre-intermediate unit 5 actions. So we have here I can write a letter applying for a job. Okay, so again, we are talking your ambitions. And of course, when you have dream, when you have work, so you have to, okay, I mean, when you finish college, you need to find work. Okay. Okay, so we have here different. Okay. So your name, signature, oh, you know signature. Tono, you write signature. Okay. So Notice, to see, or hear somebody, something, to become aware of somebody or something. Possession, it means it's a job. Okay. Selling of goods to the public, it means retail. Reliable, that can be trusted, to do something well, that you can rely on. Available, that you can get, that you can buy, or that you can find. That's available. Okay. Next one, we have, wait, may tanong. Okay, discuss, it means to talk about something. You discuss with your mom, or discuss with your dad. It means your mom and dad talk, discuss. Manager is a person who is in charge in, okay, running a business. Okay. Obtain, it means to get something. Okay. Opportunity, a time when particular situations makes it possible. Oh, there is an opportunity for you to earn. What is it? You will gonna be a manager. Oh, that's opportunity. Okay, so you have to take it. You have to take care of your opportunity. Possess.
Opportunity.
Okay, as opportunity, possess, to have or own something. What have you possessed on? Oh, I have my new laptop. I have my new iPad. That's I possess. That's the thing that I own. Require, uh, the need. What does it require? The need something. Succeed, it means to achieve something that you have been trying to do or get, to have the result or effect that was intended, or succeed. Next one. Please try to match. Read the letter. This is the letter, and match the elements A to G. A to G match here. Okay, where's number 1, 2, and 7? Okay. You just write the number here, Tono, okay?
Okay.
Sunday. Okay, done? Oh, very
Wait.
fast. Very fast.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So up here. Number 1, the person's letter is going number 1. Okay, manager. 2, where's number 2 here? Oh, number 2, the address. The letter is going. This address is 1. 3, where's number 3? The writer's address. Oh, number 3. Okay, correct. Number 4, the date. Correct. Number 5, where's your number 5? Subject line, correct. Okay, that's subject line. Applications, for the role of sales assistant. That's the subject line. Next, we have the, okay. Number 6 is the writer's signature, this one. And last number is the writer's name. Very easy, like, ano? Very easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how you are gonna write a letter. Okay, so in paragraph D, complete the paragraph plan by matching paragraph A to E of the letter with descriptions 1 to 5. So A, B, C, D. We have 4 paragraph of 5. First paragraph, second, third, fourth, fifth. And this is example number 1, paragraph D. Look at paragraph D, huh? What you are sending with the letter and when you can start work. Letter D, I am enclosing my CV in I will available to start work in July. That's paragraph D. Okay, go. Just write the letter.
And finish teacher.
Okay, number 2. Letter E. Okay. What you would like to happen next? Okay. I look forward to hearing you soon. Okay. That is what you would like to happen. Very good. Oh, no. Yes. Paragraph A. What the job is and how you find out about the job. Let us see. Oh, very good. I noticed, where do you find the job? In the online advertisement for sales assistant. Okay. And paragraph B, why you're interested in the job? I am going to start a degree in design at Brighton. Until then, I am keen to find possession which suits my interest in passion. Okay, it's letter A. And last one, letter C, why you are in the right person. Why you are the right person in the job. Why? Because I have experience of working in retail last summer. I spent 6 weeks as a sales assistant in the clothes shops. Furthermore, I believe I possess all the necessary personal quality for the post. Oh, very good. You understand this? Tono?
Yes.
Yeah, very easy, right? Okay, now, in which paragraph does Grace mention? Oh, you write the paragraph only, huh? A, B, C, or D? Okay.
Okay.
Her plans and intentions, what are they? So what paragraph you can find her plans and intentions? What paragraph you can find her personal quality? And what are they?
and fitness teacher.
Okay, so letter B. Okay. She's going to start a degree in design at Brighton University. Look at letter B. So this is her plan and intention. Okay, and before that, she is keen to find a position in fashion. Okay, that is her, which showed her interest in fashion because that's the reason why he wants to have a degree in design because integrate, he wants to suit it means to fit his interest in fashions. Okay. How about her personal quality? Okay, it's letter C. She is hardworking. Personal quality, it means your attitude. Hardworking, honest, and reliable. How about you, Tono? What is your personal quality? I will ask you. What is your personal quality? Are you
Person.
hardworking?
I think yes, and
Wow. Go.
sometime I feel lazy, but I can study well.
Oh, that's very good. Yeah, sometimes we feel lazy, or especially if we are not feeling good, like we are tired, okay, we are stressed from work, from school, but important, most importantly is you study well. Okay, that's very important, Tono, okay? Ah, next one. So, okay. So when you write a formal letter, when you write a for wait this one. Ay, wait. When you write a formal letter, always remember you have to start with Dear Mrs. White. If you know the name of the person, or Dear Sir or Dear Madam, if you do not. Okay, if example, Dear Mrs. No, Dear Mrs. Nguyen. Oh, so you know that one. If you don't know, you will say, Dear Sir or Dear Madam. You can include a subject line. You know, subject line, what is your purpose? Okay, application. Okay. So writing paragraph, one sentence paragraph are fine for opening or closing an application letter. Do not use colloquial language or short form. Colloquial, it means short form like I am, there is. Okay. Finish with yours sincerely, yours faithfully. Okay. Okay, please answer the questions about the task. Okay, please answer. You can write your answer in the chat box, no, if you think you cannot fit. Okay. Oh, the
Okay.
answer can be found in here in the letter. Okay.
A famous teacher.
Okay. So we have, wait me Tono ha, just a minute. Lian, tiwasan sa rin ako, kinaklase ako. Tiwasan sa rin ako, kariyot, kinaklase ako. Pasigag, sagada rin, pariyot, baby. Kay ngit-ngit, diri, day, basig na po di ihi, day. Okay, so we have here, what is the subject line in Grace? Okay, letter, subject line. Okay, applications for the role of salesman. Does Grace include any one sentence paragraph? Okay, does it include any one sentence paragraph? Oh, the answer is yes, very good. How does Grace express these things in a more formal way? It is, I really want to,
Or
I am keen to. Okay, formal way. I am keen to. It means I really want to. Formal way is I am keen to. Always remember that. I am keen to. It means formal way is I am keen to. Okay. So I really want to. Number B. I think I've got. What is the formal way for this one? Now, do not think of your answer. I think I've got. What is the formal way? I think I've got. What do you think is the formal way when you say I think I've got? Because I think I've got is not formal because you use contraction. It's not good. It's not formal to use like this, shortening, not formal. Okay, I think I've got. What do you think is the formal way in saying this one? The answer is
is exploration of working in town.
okay. I am keen to. Okay, I think I've got. Oh, I believe I possess. This is the formal way, huh? When you say I think I've got, you can also say I believe I possess. If you ask me to, the correct answer is oh, on request. If you ask me on request, oh, very quite hard. Why does Grace end the letter with yours faithfully? Why? Because
Because she look forward to hearing from you soon.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. It's correct. So it is correct to say because she looks forward to hearing from you soon. So that is why. Oh, it could be. Yeah, it could be. And another is, okay, because she does not know the name of the person. Okay. If you do not belong, does yours faithfully because she does not know the name of the person. Okay. But also because she wants to hear from you soon. Or it could be also because she does not know the name of the person she is writing to. Okay, that's why yours faithfully, G. Browning. Because there is no name here. Only dear sir or dear madam. As you can see, dear sir or dear madam, no name. So it means Grace doesn't know the name of the person she is writing to. Oh, you understand, Tono? This
Yes.
one. Read the online job advert below and plan an application letter. Follow the paragraph plan you completed in task 2. Okay, we have here. Busy London hotel is looking for a hard work. Okay, polite, reliable waiters for the summer months, July to September. Experience and advantage. Apply in writing, enclosing your CV to the restaurant manager, Clark's Hotel, Bond Street, London. Okay, so follow the paragraph plan you completed in task 2. Okay, so look at this. What the job is and how you find out about it.
Is a building under uh, looking for her housing with quality and reliable waiter for several months.
Okay. Why you are interested in the job?
Experience on art website and happy in writing and closing in your CV.
Okay, you are interested? Okay. Okay. Why you are the right person? Example, I will ask you, why you are the right person to be? Okay. To be the waiters. Why? Because? Why? Why I will hire you? Because?
Because working the tech and reliable waiter.
Okay, because you are hardworking, polite, and reliable. That's why, okay, you are the right person. What you are sending with the letter and when you can start. Okay, what you are sending. You are sending the letter to who?
Be in writing and and closing your CV to the restaurant mentioned Park Hotel, Bond Street, London.
Okay. What you would like to happen next? What you would like to happen? Example,
And
I will ask you, what you would like to happen next, Tono?
um, I don't know.
Okay, example, you will apply for a job. What you would like to happen after that one? What you would like to happen? Okay, if example, you will apply for the job. What you would like to happen or no? You would like to?
I like teacher an art teacher.
You like to be?
An art teacher.
You want to be an art teacher. Okay, okay. So Tono, we don't have enough time. So teacher will see you. Okay, on when again? Oh, sorry, huh? Tono,
Uh,
La. Okay. Tono, are you okay on Saturday? Are you available on Saturday?
Saturday.
Yeah.
On Saturday, I think can we have class at 4 p.m. on 4 p.m. or 8 a.m.
Okay.
on
So you want to have
Saturday.
8 a.m.?
8 a.m.
Oh, you want 8 a.m. Saturday? You want?
Yes.
Okay, so I will see you 8 a.m. Saturday, okay? Because teacher is busy on Friday, okay? See you on Saturday, 8 a.m. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye, Tono. See
Bye,
you.
teacher.